Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have interlocking aluminum shingle metal roof. As you can see, each shingle is interlocked, and this comprises a whole metal roofing system where each shingle holds each other in place by interlocking, just like so. We got the whole system in place, and now this is just last moment. We do it a little bit different from anybody else. No one else does it. Right before we finish up, we got our ridge ventilation here to keep roof nice and cool. And we actually custom bent this piece of flashing. No one else does it, ladies and gentlemen. Something that only we do. The reason for this is to stop the wind-driven water that can actually travel upwards, driven by the wind, and can penetrate your roof by going up. So what we do is we install this little piece right here. You can see it locks into the shingle, and it completely stops any kind of upward traveling water from penetrating your roof. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to install this piece. Notice over here we got a little bit of silicone on the locks, so the roof will be nice and watertight. Once again, there are many similar systems to ours, but no one actually custom bends the flashing in a similar fashion. So this is something that we do. Go an extra mile to produce the most secure roof you can get. And watch the installation here. We'll lock it in to shingle. Do me a favor, hold this here if you can. And it's in place. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is in place. The water may go up, but this is where it stops. The reach cap. Over here, Leo, if you bring the camera. Over here we got our opening where air will circulate out. The reach vent will go up over here. On the eaves we got our soffit vents. That's the intake for the air. On the eaves it's gonna come in, circulate through the roof, and come out over here where the reach vent is gonna go. And over here we got our secure little pieces. No one else does it. Takes a little bit of extra time, but it helps to ensure the system is completely watertight. So I'm gonna nail it in place. While on this side, silicone пробел.
Нет.
A little bit of silicone. Right here.
Вниз там дай тоже.
Okay, good. And that's it.